The correct way to view your GPU temperature is by using this application right here. It's called HW Info. When you open it up, click on sensor only. This is more accurate than your AMD Adrenaline software. You can see everything here. You can also see the voltage. You can see all this thing in real time. This is the most accurate way to see the temperature for your electrical component, for your computer components. This is for the GPU. You can see the temperature, memory junction, the hotspot. Most importantly, you want to keep an eye out for your voltage. Make sure that it's not too high, especially when you're on idle and when you are gaming. You can also see the wattage, the wattage. CPU. You can also see the core and the uncore. Core is this one, and the uncore is the ring or LLC clock. There you go. You can see my temperature here, even though that I'm not using anything at all, but because I set my CPU on a static clock, means that it's going to stay at this speed all the time and pumping 1.2 volt all the time, so the temperature is crazy high because I'm using like a stock cooler with an outdated thermal paste, with I haven't changed from the last few years, if I recall correctly. But yes, this is how you can monitor your temperature. You can also pull out this graph right here by using by right clicking this and clicking on this one, and you can see your GPU temperature over time by looking at the graph, like so. So you can like play some games and then come back here after a minute, and then you can see how your GPU is performing. You can see how well the temperature is holding on. So for me, this is the correct way on how to check how hot or how cold your computer is.